Hello student, this is class 9th chapter 3rd science part 11. Mass percentage of element in a compound. This is very important topic of this chapter. The mass percentage of element in a compound. The formula is mass percentage of elements in a compound is equal to mass percentage of elements in a compound is equal to mass of that element upon molecular mass of a compound multiply 100. Question first, calculate the mass percentage of copper in copper sulfate. The mass percentage, suppose the mass percentage of elements, mass percentage of elements in a compound, suppose we have a report card. Suppose we have a report card like we got 60 marks in Hindi. We got 60 marks in Hindi. We got 90 marks in maths upon 100. So total maximum marks is equal to 200 and we got 60 marks in Hindi and 90 marks in maths. Now the percentage of Hindi marks. Hindi marks is equal to number of Hindi marks 60 upon total marks, which is 200 multiply 100. 60 upon 200. So this is 30%. Now the percentage of maths marks is equal to 90 upon 200 multiply 100. This is 40% marks of maths. As same way, the mass percentage of element, mass percentage of a element in a compound, as a same way, in this mass of elements, mass of that element upon molecular mass of compound, compound means total mass of compounds multiply 100. Same question first. Mass percentage of copper in a copper sulfate. Mass of copper is equal to 64, sulfur is equal to oxygen. This is multiple the sum of these marks is equal to, in this case 4 oxygen, so this multiplied by 4, then it is 90 160, this is 160. So the mass percentage of copper is equal to mass of copper upon molecular mass of copper sulfate is equal to 160. Mass of copper is equal to 64, 160 multiply 100. So this is cancel out by 2. This is 8. So this is 40%, which is your answer. So the 160 is the molecular mass of copper sulfate. Molecular mass of copper sulfate. In this case, write copper sulfate as copper sulfate. So the molecular formula, so the chemical formula of copper sulfate is equal to, copper is equal to Cu. Sulfate means SO4, which is 2 positive, 2 negative. Valency are 2, 2, so these are cancel out. So Cu, SO4 is a copper sulfate. The next question is second question. In second question, 4.9 gram of H2SO4 contain 0.1 gram of hydrogen, 1.66 gram of sulfur and rest of oxygen. Calculate mass percentage of all elements in sulfuric acid. So the solution of this question, in this case sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Sulfuric acid means H2SO4. Question second is 4.9 gram of H2SO4 contains 0.1 gram of hydrogen, 1.6 gram of sulfur and rest of oxygen. Calculate mass percentage of all elements in sulfuric acid. In this case, mass is given. If mass is not given, then molecular mass is used. In this case, sulfuric acid, which is 4.9 gram. In this, hydrogen H is equal to 0.1 gram. 0.1 gram. Sulfur is equal to 1.6 gram and rest of oxygen. So the sum of these elements is equal to 1.7 grams. So oxygen is equal to 4.9 minus 1.7 is equal to 3.2 gram. So the mass percentage of hydrogen is equal to mass of hydrogen, which is 0.1. The total mass of sulfuric acid is equal to 4.9 mass of sulfuric acid multiply 100. So after the solution of this 2.4%. Now the mass percentage of sulfur is equal to mass of sulfur, which is 1.6 gram. The mass of sulfuric acid 4.9 multiply 100, which is 32.6 percentage. After the solution of these values, mass percentage of oxygen is equal to mass of oxygen 3.2 upon mass of sulfuric acid multiply 100, which is, after the solution of these values, 65.3% approx. Approx, these values are approx. So the solution of this question is given as. Notes of this solution is given as. The first page is this is second page. This is third page. Then last page. So make proper notes of these questions and the all chapters.